welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up, what's good? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I will be doing another Hollywood glam look. This is just another episode of this series. I decided to go with a shimmery eye because I haven't done that for this series just yet. And after watching the Met Gala looks, I don't know, I was kind of inspired to do that. I didn't pick a specific look or anything to follow along for this video. I just kind of did it off the top of my head, but I know this look has been done before, but that's okay. That is okay. This is my way, okay? This is my way. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. Okay, so for this look, I don't actually have a video that I've seen or like a photo or anything of any makeup artist that have done this look that inspired me. I know it's been done, but I don't have a specific photo that I'm going after or anything like that. It's just kind of a look at the top of my head, and for some odd reason, I don't know why, but I just decided to go with lighter brows for today's look. I don't know how I feel about them quite yet. I don't know if it actually goes with the look that I'm about to do, but let's hope that it does. Got some new daily favorites, you would say. I got some new brushes from Sigma, and I also switched out my regular brushes to like new brushes just to try them out, because if not, I'll never actually use all my brushes, because I have like my favorite ones that I just rotate, and then I'd be forgetting to rotate, and then yeah. First thing I'm gonna do, I am going to put some primer on my face. I'm using the Kevin Kwan Sensual Skin Primer. You can see that my hands are stained, just don't bother. I was putting hair color on for my friend. So I'm gonna take the Sigma E38 brush and I'm gonna dip into my Makeup Revolution bronzer. I'm just going to put that here in the beginning of my crease, and I'm just going to make like a nice connection to my nose. And if you see my wig lifting, ignore that. I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye. I don't know if this was the right shade of light that I was going for when it comes to my brows. I think I was going for a little bit more of like a brown, like a reddish brown. But honestly, this will just have to do. I'm not mad at it. I just don't, I don't know, I'm just not used to it. I always do my brows very, very dark, like my hair, and that's just kind of what I do. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma Ambience palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Bask, which is this one right here. And my new favorite brush for my eyes is the Sigma E61 All-Purpose Buffer Brush. I love this brush to go all over my crease, or like a full lid color type of thing, and to just blend. I love, okay? I like to point the brush upwards, like right where my crease is, and then I just kind of blend that out. And then I like to take it down. Instead of going up here, I like to take it down and then up. So I kind of create like a little wave like that. So then I'm gonna go in with the shade Enrich, which is the dark brown shade in the palette, and I'm using the Sigma E49 medium tapered blending. I like this to go right up under the crease when I want to like define this part of the eye. So I'm just going to put that right here. Then I'm gonna go in with the E40 Max, and I'm just gonna blend that out. So that's basically it for blending. Oh, I should have zoomed you guys in. I'll do that on the next one. What I'm gonna do next is I kind of just want to put the glitter that I want on. But before I do that, I'm going to take the E45 Max. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Daily, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to pat that onto my lid, and then I'm going to just blend that. And this, oh my god, this is so pretty. This look is so beautiful, just matte like this. I love. He is going in with that bone, child. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with my Inglot Sparkling Dust in 03, well, number 3. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So then I'm gonna go back in with the E40 Max, and I'm just going to blend this out all over my lid area. And I'm literally just going over the color, and that's so beautiful. I'm gonna take a little brush. This is the BH Cosmetics 103 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade again, and Rich, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna go on my lash line, just right here. I actually would like a more chocolatey color, but this will do. I just go on right on my lash line, just to darken that up. For my face, I'm gonna go with the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow. I'm in love with these, yo. Both colors are stunning. I'm just gonna put that right here. I have to put that in the middle of my nose as well. I'm gonna try this because I haven't tried this in a minute, but I know that every time I try it, I don't like it. So we already know this is the problem if the makeup doesn't look good. But this is the Milk Makeup Blur Spray. And I've tried this in the past and I wasn't a fan. I'm going to put blush on my under eyes because I've seen this hack on TikTok or Instagram, I don't remember. It all starts on TikTok. So I'm just gonna put, this is the Ofra Cosmetics blush in Truly's liquid blush. I'm gonna put that under my eyes. You guys know I'm not a fan of putting a lot of different products under my eyes. Like, I'm very much so like less is more, but today I'm actually putting a lot of different products under my eyes. And this to me is like, I am not surprised that this looks good or that this is cute because it's basically like color correcting. Because I remember like a few years ago, it was, everybody was raving about putting red lipstick or lip liner or something under your eyes, and I'm like, obviously it's going to cancel out. It needs to cancel out. And then I'm gonna go in with my Oma Beauty concealer in Brown Sugar T1. This has been my go-to favorite concealer. Like, I truly love this concealer. I haven't been covering up my burn, but I'm gonna just do it for the sake of this video. But I actually do not care. Like, I really could not care less about that burn showing. Like, I means whatever, you know. Then I'm gonna start blending. Okay, so that is our first concealer. So for our second concealer, I'm going to go in with the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Enhancer, Sensual Skin Enhancer, or SSE, however you want to call it. This is the SX11. So I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. This is my brightening concealer. So then I'm just going to take my concealer brush and just blend this out. Oh my god, I have no idea when to stop recording. Now that I look bright and crazy, I'm gonna go in with my Oma Beauty foundation. This is the Say What Weightless Foundation in Brown Sugar T1N. And I'm just going to take a little bit in the back of my hand. I took way too much, because a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna put that. I'm just gonna go over my under eyes again with my brush before I set it. I'm gonna use my powder concoction to set my under eyes. This is the Sigma Soft Blend Concealer brush. And I'm gonna use that to set my under eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm just tapping in the product. I'm not swiping with this brush. I'm simply tapping the product into my skin. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush, and this is the Lottie London LF10 brush, 010. And then I'm gonna swipe that brush across my under eye, where I just put the powder. I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush with a little bit of powder again. I'm just gonna clean up right here. I'm setting and like cleaning up my contour, you may say. And then you want to put powder around your nose, your mouth as well. I can't even talk. Why can't I talk? Then I'm gonna go in with the Kevyn & Quan Contour Book Volume 3. And I'm just gonna take the deep shade right here. This is called Sculpting Deep, the sculpting shade. I'm gonna use that as my contour. So for my contour, I'm gonna take the Chisel Cheek F76 brush from Sigma. And I'm just going to tap right here. And I'm making my contour pretty high because I want that snatched cheekbone look. And watch how I'm just keeping it on the inner part of the face. I'm not drying it all the way out here, even though it looks pretty dark there, but that's just my natural face. Then I'm gonna take my bronzer brush, and I'm gonna go into my Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer in medium. And I'm just gonna dust off, because this one, a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna start bronzing my face. And we already know how I feel about the forehead. Okay, so we tied down the hair just in the meantime while I finish my makeup. I'm gonna take a little bit of the bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze right underneath my chin, and then a little bit here. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to put powder right here, and I'm just going to set this area. I'm just gonna drag this a little bit because I feel like it's too far down. I'm gonna have to smoke out my bottom lash line, because I thought I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna end up doing it because the look needs it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the dark brown that's called Enrich in the Sigma palette, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. We need to do some setting spray. Before I do my setting spray, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to brighten up my under eyes a little bit more. I don't know, but this just does something to me. I'm just gonna put that right under my eyes. So after that, then I'll go in with my setting spray. While that dries, I'm gonna go in with my brow gel. I'm gonna use the color medium. I used the color light to set them earlier, and then I put some light powder. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this probably, but let's see how the medium looks. I don't actually know how I'm feeling about these brows, but I don't know, but they're staying just like this. I can tell you that much. So for highlighter, we're obviously going to be using the Inglot Sparkling Dust in number 3, which is the one we have on our lids. I'm gonna take my highlighter brush, and a little goes a long way, so we're just tapping once on this, and we're putting it up here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some lashes on. I have no idea which lashes these are, and in my eyes, like when I look in the mirror, they look completely different, but I know these are the same lashes. I just don't know which lashes this is, but whatever. Now I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm gonna do my right now current favorite lip. This is the Oma Beauty lip liner in Davis, and this has been my go-to lip liner. I love it. I should have waxed my upper lip before I started recording this video. Y'all girl didn't think of that. Then I'm actually gonna take my concealer, the Oma Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna tap a little bit on a lip brush. So I'm gonna take just a tad bit of my concealer. And then the Rodeo Drive liquid, like the lipstick, the Rodeo Drive lip gloss from Ofra Cosmetics. Oh, this is the perfect combination. Why I didn't get invited to the Met Gala? I said I'm gonna take some mascara. I'm gonna put my bottom lashes. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara. I love how tiny the wand is on this. This is perfect for my bottom lashes. Okay, so I put on a different top, of course, and then I put on my jewelry. This hair doesn't really hold a curl for nothing in the world. I don't even know why I even waste my time curling it, to be completely honest. There's literally like no point. I literally just curled it and there's not a curl in sight. I should probably make some baby hairs and whatnot, and I could have definitely done better with the hair, but honestly that's just not the mood that I'm in right now. I still don't know how I feel about the lighter brows. As I said, I'm not mad at it, I just don't know if I love it. I think I want to perfect the technique and how I did it. I feel like I could do so much better, like so much better. So I'm gonna work on it. Okay, so to finish up today's look, I will be pairing myself up with the Floral Marshmellow scent from DOSSIER. I will have the link in the description box down below. This smells so good. Yes, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. I will have all the links to every single product that I used in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. If there's anything that you're looking for, and whatever I haven't linked, just let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know in the comments, because I'm gonna be forgetting. I'll be forgetting, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!